Hey, what's up guys? My name is Steven and today we're gonna unbox and take a first look at Vivo V15 Pro. So the Vivo V15 Pro looks super cool and slick with its topaz blue color, its bezel-less ultra full view display, and let's not forget its on-screen fingerprint sensor. So the first thing you notice about this phone is that it has a triple camera setup at the back. The first camera up here being its 48 megapixel main camera, the second being an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, and the third being a 5 megapixel depth sensor. This phone also comes with a motorized pop-up front-facing camera which is 32 megapixels. So out of the box, this phone comes with Android version 9.0 Pie and FunTouch 9 UI. This phone comes with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM depending on which variant you purchase. This phone comes with an internal storage of 128GB with an option to add more storage via a micro SD card up to 256GB. Somehow, this phone doesn't use a USB Type-C but instead still uses the old micro USB 2.0. But Vivo has assured us that this phone comes with quick and fast charge capabilities. So that's all we have for unboxing and first look at the Vivo V15 Pro. If you want to know more about this phone, stay tuned for our full review. My name is Steven and I'll see you guys next time.